Toshiba is known as one of Japan's largest technology companies. Founded in 1939, the company operates in various fields such as electronics, energy, construction, and even medical equipment. However, a major accounting scandal that emerged in 2015 led to one of the biggest crises in the company's history. The scandal was based on a method called overstatement or overreporting that Toshiba used to manipulate its accounting transactions. This method involved accounting tricks such as showing unsold assets as sold or understating costs in order to inflate the company's profits. This method was used in Toshiba's financial reporting between 2008 and 2014 and resulted in a $1.2 billion misstatement. The accounting fraud came to light at Toshiba's annual meeting in 2015 and was soon reported by the media. Toshiba's CEO Hisao Tanaka and other top executives were forced to resign after the scandal was uncovered. The impact of Toshiba's scandal did not remain confined to the company alone. Japan's image was also affected by this event. Japan is known as a country with honest and reliable business ethics. However, this scandal revealed a dark side of Japan's business world, where major companies resorted to unethical means to increase profits. Following the scandal, numerous dark questions emerged in succession. Did the Toshiba scandal expose a dark side of Japan's business world? How did the Toshiba scandal shake investor confidence? What is the biggest lesson we learned from the Toshiba scandal, and how much have other companies taken these lessons into account? Toshiba's CEO was one of Japan's most respected businessmen, so why did he get involved in financial fraud? Does the Toshiba scandal demonstrate how much importance companies should place on ethical standards? For all this and more, before starting the video, if you're interested in universal economic history, you can subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to be informed about new videos I upload every day. Enjoy the watch.
Universal economic history.
Accounting frauds are illegal activities that lead companies to present misleading information in their financial reports. These frauds are often done to inflate profits, reduce debts, or increase assets. Such behaviors are illegal and pose a serious problem for investors and shareholders as they do not accurately reflect the company's financial condition. Accounting frauds are often a result of other corruption-related behaviors within companies. These behaviors can include actions such as money laundering, tax evasion, and illegal activities. Such charges can damage the reputation of the company's executives and employees and cause financial harm to the company. Accounting frauds are typically carried out through collaboration among a few individuals within the company. These individuals can include members of the accounting department, top-level executives, or external consultants. They can employ various methods to manipulate the company's financial records. For example, methods like inflating the value of assets, reducing debts, or exaggerating profits can be used. Accounting frauds often come to light when the company's financial records are examined by an external auditor. Auditors review the company's financial records and determine whether they comply with reporting standards. However, some frauds can be complex and sophisticated, making them difficult for auditors to detect. The Toshiba scandal emerged with allegations of insider information leaks and corruption. According to the allegations, Toshiba executives used various methods to manipulate the company's financial records. These methods included inflating the value of acquired assets, understating the value of sold assets, and exaggerating profits. Toshiba executives had been collaborating for a long time to manipulate the financial records. However, these activities were exposed by a Toshiba executive. This individual struggled for several years to report the inaccuracies in the company's financial records. The allegations first surfaced in 2015 and were confirmed following an investigation conducted by the Japanese government. The investigation revealed that Toshiba's financial records had been manipulated and the company's profits had been inflated by approximately $1.2 billion. This scandal caused a decline in Toshiba's share value on the Tokyo Stock Exchange and led to the CEO's resignation. The repercussions of the scandal extended beyond Toshiba's internal affairs. The allegations of corruption revealed that Toshiba executives engaged in illegal activities not only in financial records but also in other business sectors such as defense. These allegations severely tarnished the image of Toshiba, a significant player in Japan's defense industry. The Toshiba scandal also led to doubts about whether the company's board of directors was aware of the financial record manipulation. Some board members admitted to being aware of the manipulation, while others denied these allegations. Additionally, there were issues with the decision-making processes within Toshiba's board of directors. The allegations that a majority of board members were aware of the financial record manipulation raised serious doubts about the decisions made by the board after the scandal came to light. Some argued that board members evaded responsibility by shifting blame to others instead of effectively managing the crisis. Toshiba's failures in crisis management further worsened the company's image and financial situation. The decisions made regarding crisis management were criticized by both Toshiba's shareholders and the Japanese government. This failure in crisis management resulted in a decline in Toshiba's share value on the Tokyo Stock Exchange and significant losses for shareholders. As a consequence of the scandal, Toshiba collapsed. The scandal severely impacted the company's image and financial situation, causing a decline in its share value on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. Additionally, many customers and suppliers lost trust in Toshiba and distanced themselves from the company. This led to a decrease in sales and a loss of market share. The scandal also created a crisis of confidence across the Japanese industry as a whole. While Japanese companies have a global reputation for quality and innovation, the Toshiba scandal revealed weaknesses in financial reporting and management processes, creating a crisis of trust that permeated all sectors. However, the Toshiba scandal also prompted stricter measures in business reform by the Japanese government. The government introduced new laws and regulations to enhance transparency and impose stricter regulations on corporate governance. These measures helped Japanese companies establish more robust structures for financial reporting and management processes. In conclusion, the Toshiba scandal had negative impacts on Japan's image and its position in international markets. However, the scandal raised awareness of the need for reforms across the Japanese industry and led the government to take stricter measures towards business reform. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, Please hit the like button. If there's a specific video you'd like me to make on economic history, don't forget to mention it in the comments section. I wish everyone a pleasant day.
Universal economic history.